Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be taking us through a skin prep tutorial on a combination skin. So if you're interested in this, keep on watching. So before every session I try to find out the skin type I'm working with, because that would be my guide on how to prep my skin or the person's skin. So now, how do you know the skin type you're working with, or how do you know if it's a dry skin, a combination skin, or an oily skin? You know a combination skin by checking for where areas that have shine and areas that don't have shine. Mostly a combination skin will mostly have shine or oil on the T-zones, while the other places will be dry. And if you're not sure of the skin you're working with, you can touch the skin. You can feel the skin with your hand. If you touch the skin and you notice oil on the face, that means the person has an oily skin. If you feel the skin and it's dry, like there is no oil, there's no shine, then it's a dry skin. And if some parts are oily and some parts are dry, then it's a combination skin. So to prep her skin, I started off with cleaning her face and hydrating her face. These are the two basic important steps in my skin prep routine. Then I went in with a hydrating serum to infuse more hydration into her skin. Then I went in with my moisturizer. So it's also important to work with a good moisturizer is tailored to the particular skin type you're working with. Skin prep is an intentional act. You don't just take anything and apply. So most of the products I use for my skin prep are Nigerian-based products. And they are drugstore and they work amazingly and perfectly well for me. So for the moisturizer I used for her, it's a moisturizer from Blossom Cosmetics. You can check them out on Instagram. Yeah, and I use this moisturizer for almost every skin type because it's very hydrating. So you can see me switching in between brushes and my hands. Make sure if you're working with your hands on the face, make sure your hands are properly clean. I used my hands because I wanted to make sure all the hydrating products I applied are well blended, like they've sunk into the skin. Then at this point I'm using my hydrating primer from omaricode, and I like to apply this primer with my beauty blender. Reason because I want it to run through my foundation when I'm applying my foundation. And notice that I apply the primer on those places that do not produce oil. Then I use my lip gloss because you have to also prepare your lips for the lip product you apply later on. Then I'm now using my mattifying primer from Art Cosmetics. I already mentioned earlier that all the products I use are Nigerian brands and they are amazing. So I'd like to warm up my mattifying primer with my hands before applying it on the areas I want to apply it. I don't just take it and apply it directly. I warm it up, then I apply it. So guys, that's basically it for the skin prep. I hope you learned a thing or two on this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and expect more content from this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. See you on my next video.